Okay, we're still in the loft at Unit 301. There's a side-by-side refrigerator with ice maker. There are some small scratches here, here. Looks like there's a couple there. The inside is clean with all the shelves intact. There's a butter dish in there and the ice maker. In the pantry there's an iron, some of the paperwork on the appliances and so forth. There is a box of tools with a hammer, screwdriver, there's some placemats. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 placemats. There's 2 cushions for the patio set and a whisk broom and dustpan. There are kitchen appliances, or I'm sorry, kitchen tools. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see, in the drawers there are more kitchen tools. These will be inventoried. Some dish towels. A little junk drawer. Flatware.